Welcome to Darmany Rug Cleaning and Repairs. We are specialized in professional rug care, such as cleaning, hand washing, repairing and restoring, and removing stain and color bleeding on all types of hand and machine-made rugs, which include Persian, Oriental, Moroccan, Tibetan, European, and rugs from all over the world. With more than 23 years of experience, we are capable of solving any problem, repair and restore any kind of damage on your precious rug with the highest quality possible. For detailed information and to access more pictures and videos, please visit our website, www.darmany.com, or call us at 949-945-4124.